Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will start exercise 13.2. Okay, so let us start from question number first onward. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in term of pi. Means you have to find the volume in the term of pi. No need to write the value of pi. Okay, so radius given 1 centimeter, radius of hemisphere and cone being 1 centimeter each. Then height of cone h is equal to 1 centimeter. So total volume of solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, so volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of hemisphere. Then 1 by 3 pi 1 square means radius 1 into 1 into height. Okay, 2 by 3 into pi 1 cube. So 1 by 3 pi plus 2 by 3 pi. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 कैंसिल. देन पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. अगर यहाँ पर पूछा जाता पाई की वैल्यू रख करके तो 22/7 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इसका आंसर हो जाता, लेकिन उसने पूछा है कि आपको पाई के टर्म में लिखना है, तो आप क्या लिख देंगे, पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ओके, नाउ कम ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones, okay, attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume that the outer and inner dimensions of the model to be nearly the same. Means no need to take outer dimensions and inner dimensions. Okay, whatever given in the question, जो भी दिया है वो ही आप सेम टू सेम ले लेंगे. ठीक है. So volume of air contained in the model is equal to total volume of the solid. So diameter of the base of each cone 3 centimeter, radius of base of each cone 3 by 2 centimeter, and height of each cone 2 centimeter, right? And volume of one cone 1 by 3 pi r square h means 1 by 3 pi 3 by 2 square into 2. So finally after calculating you will get 3 by 2 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone, right? Okay, then volume of cone, then volume of two cones you multiply by 2, that means 3 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of the cylindrical portion pi r square h means pi 3 by 2 whole square into 8. height क्योंकि 8 given है तो pi into 9 into 8 by 4, 4 to the 8, 9 to the 18 pi centimeter cube. So volume of air contained in the model, total volume of the solid 3 pi centimeter cube plus 18 pi centimeter cube is equal to 21 pi. Then put the value of pi 22/7, 7 1 is 7 3 is 22 3 is 66 centimeter cube. This is your answer. I hope you understand. If any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me again. Okay, now come on question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with the length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. मीन्स कुछ इस टाइप के शेप में दिया गया है, दोनों तरफ से हेमिस्फेरिकल एंड लगे हुए हैं, इधर हेमिस्फेरिकल और इधर हेमिस्फेरिकल और बीच में सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट दिया गया है. ठीक है, हाँ यहाँ फिगर बना हुआ है, कैन सी इन द फिगर, गिवन फिगर. रेडियस ऑफ हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट या हेमिस्फेयर पार्ट 1.4 सेंटीमीटर, लेंथ ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट 1.4 इधर से 1.4 इधर से, एंड 2.8 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, दैट मीन्स height of the cylinder or length of the cylinder 2.2 centimeter and its radius being 1.4 centimeter. So volume of one gulab jamun is equal to 2 volume of hemispherical part, because 2 hemispherical end दोनों तरफ लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड लगे हैं, प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट. So 2 into 2 by 3 pi into 1.4 cube plus pi 1.4 square into 2.2. So pi 1.4 स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लिया गया, इंटू 4 by 3 into 1.4 plus 2.2, राइट. ओके, so 22 by 7, this is the value of pi into 1.4 into 1.4, 5.6 by 3 into 2.2. After calculating this part, you will get 25.07. This is the volume of one gulab jamun, right? Okay, then volume of 45 gulab jamuns, you will multiply 45 into 25.07 is equal to 1128.18 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 45 gulab jamuns, and 45 gulab jamuns means each gulab jamun contain 30% sugar syrup. Okay, to find out volume of sugar syrup, 1128.15 into 30 by 100 is equal to 338.45 centimeter cube. This is your final answer. So there would be approximately 338 centimeter cube syrup in 45 gulab jamuns. Okay, now come on, question number 4. Next question. A pen made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter, and the depth means height, we can say 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Okay, you can see in the figure. Radius of one conical depression is 0.5 centimeter. Depth of one conical depression, that means height, 1.4 centimeter. Volume of one conical depression 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 square into 1.4. After calculating this part, you will get 0.366 centimeter cube. So volume of 4 conical depression, 4 into 0.366 means 1.464. This is the volume of 4 conical depression. And volume of cuboid, we know that L into B into H, that means 15 into 10 into 3.5 centimeter cube is equal to 525 centimeter cube. Then remaining volume of the box, so volume of cubical box minus volume of 4 conical depression. Okay, volume of 4 conical depression, that means 525 centimeter cube minus 1.464 centimeter cube is equal to 523.5 centimeter cube. This is your final answer, or remaining part of the इंटायर बॉक्स या जो भी वुड दिया गया है वो रिमेनिंग मीन्स इतना बचेगा 4 कोनिकल डिप्रेशन करने के बाद. नाउ कम ऑन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. Up to the brim means पूरा ऊपर तक, कॉर्नर तक, यहाँ तक फिल है. ठीक है. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, we can say marble. जैसे मार्बल होते हैं ना छोटे छोटे, और dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shot dropped in the vessel. आपको साइंस टीचर ने आपको बताया होगा आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल. तो आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल क्या कहता है कि जो भी सॉलिड या कुछ भी मटेरियल होगा वो वाटर को या लिक्विड को अपने वॉल्यूम की इक्वल डिस्प्लेस करेगा. ठीक है. तो 1/4 द नंबर ऑफ, या जितने लेड शॉट्स है उनका वॉल्यूम 1/4 द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन की इक्वल होगा. ठीक है. द रेडियस ऑफ कोन 5 centimeter, height of cone 8 centimeter. Then volume of water in the cone 1/3 pi r square h, that means 1/3 pi 5 square into 8. means 200 pi by 3 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cone. Volume of water flows out 1/4 into 200 pi by 3, that means 50 pi by 3 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ये वाटर फ्लोज होकर के बाहर आ जाएगा, ठीक है। और यही वैल्यूम नंबर ऑफ लेड शॉट्स जितने भी दिए गए हैं उनके वैल्यूम के इक्वल होगा। तो इक्वल दिखा देते हैं दोनों को। रेडियस ऑफ वन स्पेरिकल शॉट 0.5 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है। वैल्यूम ऑफ वन स्पेरिकल शॉट 4/3 पाई 0.5 क्यूब, ओके। Thereafter calculating this pi by 6 centimeter cube, this is the volume of one lead shot. So number of lead shot is equal to volume of water flows out divided by volume of one spherical shot, that means 50 by 3 pi divided by pi by 6. So pi cancel, 6 ऊपर चला जाएगा, then 15 to 6/3, 3 2 जा 6, 52 जा 100. The number of lead shots 100. This is your final answer. Now come on, question number 6. Okay. In question number 6, a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Okay. So radius of first cylinder 12 centimeter, height of first cylinder 220 centimeter. So volume of first cylinder pi r square h. So pi into 12 square into 220. After calculating you will get 99,475.2 centimeter cube. This is the volume of first cylinder. You can calculate ना, calculation you have to do. Okay, calculation आपको स्वयं करना है और calculation बनने भी चाहिए. The radius of second cylinder 8 centimeter, height of second cylinder 60 centimeter, volume of second cylinder pi r square h, pi 8 square into 60, 64 into 60 pi. Okay, then put the value of pi here, 3.14, 64 into 60 means 12,057.6 centimeter cube. So total volume of solid, volume of first cylinder, volume of second cylinder. So after adding, okay, 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. This is the volume of both the cylinder. So mass given है, ठीक है, mass is equal to 1 centimeter cube of iron is equal to 8 gram. So mass of 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube of iron into 8, okay, 1,11,532.8 into 8 is equal to 892,262.4 gram. We will convert into kg divided by 1000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो आपका क्या आ जाएगा 892.262 kg. Okay, this is your final answer and this is the mass of the given cylinder. Now come on, question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom and find the volume of water left in the cylinder. The radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. ठीक है, मीन्स किसी सिलेंडर में एक कोनिकल और हेमिस्फेरिकल डिप्रेशन इस पर डिप किया जाता है तो ये वैल्यूम ये अपने वैल्यूम की इक्वल वाटर डिस्प्लेस करेगा, लेकिन उसने ये ना पूछा है कि इसमें कितना बचेगा। तो वैल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर माइनस वैल्यूम ऑफ दिस सॉलिड कोनिकल प्लस हेमिस्फेरिकल, ठीक है, तो आ जाएगा रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंडर आर कैपिटल आर से ले लिया 60 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर 180 सेंटीमीटर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन द सिलेंडर पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, पाई इंटू 60 स्क्वायर इंटू 180, सो पाई इंटू 3600 इंटू 180, ठीक है। वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोज आउट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोनिकल पार्ट प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट, ठीक, तो 4/3 पाई 60 क्यूब, दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोनिकल पार्ट या जितना पानी बाहर आएगा, So volume of water left in the cylinder, then volume of cylinder minus volume of that solid which dip in the cylinder. So pi 3600 into 180 minus 4 by 3 pi into 3600 into 60, then 3600 into 60 पाई कॉमन है तो 3 माइनस 4 बाई 3 तो 3600 इंटू 60 पाई की वैल्यू हमने रख दी है 22/7 इंटू 5/3. आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दिस यू विल गेट 5/3. सो आपका फाइनल आंसर क्या आया 113,142.8.57 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. और इसको हमें अगर मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो हमें 3, क्योंकि ये सेंटीमीटर क्यूब है तो 300 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. तो 1.131 मीटर क्यूब अप्रॉक्स ये आपका फाइनल आंसर होगा. ये तो पहले भी आप वैल्यू को जो भी वैल्यूज़ दी गई हैं उनको पहले भी मीटर में कन्वर्ट करके कर सकते थे. ठीक है, ओके. Now come on, question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements and pi is equal to 3.14. तो हम चेक करते इसका हम वैल्यूम निकालेंगे. ठीक है, ऊपर सिलेंड्रिकल नेक है, नीचे स्पेरिकल है. सो वैल्यूम ऑफ वाटर द ग्लास वेसल कैन होल्ड 345 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब मेजर्ड बाय द चाइल्ड. जो उसने आंसर दिया, ठीक है, जो बच्चे ने आंसर दिया. लेकिन हम चेक करेंगे क्या आंसर सही है या नहीं. सो रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट 2/2 मीन्स 1 सेंटीमीटर. हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट 8 सेंटीमीटर. वैल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट पायर स्क्वायर h 3.14 इंटू 1 स्क्वायर इंटू 8 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 25.12 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylindrical part. Now diameter of the spherical part 8.5 centimeter. So radius 8.5 by 2 centimeter. After reviewing the decimal, it will come 85 by 20 centimeter. Okay. So volume of spherical part 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 into 3.14, 85 into 85 into 85. Divided by 20 into 20 into 20. After calculating this part you will get 321.39. So total volume of the glass vessel, volume of the cylindrical part plus volume of spherical part 25.12 plus 321.39 centimeter cube is equal to 346.51 centimeter cube. It means C was incorrect, means not correct. Volume measured by child is 345 centimeter, which is not correct. Correct volume is 346.51 centimeter cube. So this is your answer. So I hope you understand. Okay, so I think it is sufficient for today. So we will meet in the next video. Till now, thank you. Have a nice day.